the Hoffman Condor. I have everything on this bike chrome except for the seat post and the stem. I have on the rims, I have Tioga Power Block 20 by 1.75, which is extremely skinny compared to all the other tires I've ever ridden. I have titanium nuts on the back and, you know, just regular steel on the front. These are Primo something. I can't remember the name of them. But I've had these for 4 years on all my bikes, and I've never warped them, and I've ridden hard on them. Anyway, I have premium cranks with a 25 tooth Hoffman bike sprocket, Haro pedals, but they were light. I would have gone Hoffman, but those are really light. On the back, I have a 9-tooth hub with a shadow interlock chain all around it. I have it, you know, on the front. I have, you know, still Primo, the Tioga Power Blocks 20.175, like normal. For the stem, I am running a Demolition, one of the lightest there is. It's a nice bike. I just started riding it though. I'm running on the brakes. I only have back brakes. I'm running Odyssey Evo 2s, which are also chrome, and an Odyssey and hold on, can't see it, convertible seat post with a premium seat, neon pink stolen grips with a Odyssey. It's upside down now, but with an Odyssey brake lever, running an Org SST cable for the front, and a Mobius snafu gyro. All these, both front and back hubs are Primo. Premium cranks, Hoffman bike stem, Haro pedals, Odyssey seat post, premium seat, Tioga Power Block. See that? That's skinny as crap. 20 by 1.75 is the skinniest tire I have ever rode. Anyway, premium front and back rims, and a Demolition stem, which is one of the lightest I could find on Dan's comp. Yeah, but overall, I can do anything on this bike. Anything I try to do. Yeah, I've put it through a beating, but it's still together. One piece, few scratches. But yeah, overall, the total, I weighed it a week or two ago before I put lighter stuff on it, and it was 24.9 So we'll just call it 25 pounds. Yeah, it's the best bike I've ever rode. And I will probably be putting out there a few videos every now and again. Hopefully, I'll be learning cool stuff. And I'll get way better. Alright, well, that's my bike. Hope you like it.